The first thing we're going to do is just grab a piece of paper, and you're going to go ahead and draw the shape of a door. You could always cut it, print it out. It's pretty simple. You're just gonna go ahead a straight line, then curve it on the top, and then go all the way down, just like that. And then after you do that, you're just gonna go ahead and draw another one in the middle of the first door that you did. It's like a little arch. Then you're just gonna go ahead and draw it just like that. Pretty simple, you guys. You don't need a machine or anything. You could just draw it. Then after that, you're gonna go ahead and grab a pair of scissors, and you're going to go ahead and start cutting it out. So just go ahead, grab your scissor and start cutting it out just like that. Once you're done with that, for this part, that is the middle part, just go ahead and grab a knife. One of these knives you can find at Dollar Tree. It's just $1, and then just press it down very a little bit hard, and then just go through the line that you just drew. And it's pretty simple, and it comes out so fast, and it comes out straight and nice. So then just go ahead and take it out. Simple as that. We're gonna need another one in gold, so I'm just gonna go ahead and trace it out in gold as well. And I'm also gonna go ahead and do it in the inside of the door, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out the same way we did the first one. Just cut it out in the inside just like that. So now you're gonna have the blue and the gold, but we also gonna need the blue one, so we're just gonna go ahead and trace it out. But this one, we're only gonna need the outside, not the inside. So we're just gonna draw one, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Then here we're gonna sprinkle whatever you have. I got these at Dollar Tree. I got it in green, and it's like little beads. And then I also got it in purple. I'm also gonna add a little bit of glitter, but you could decide here what you want to put inside. So I just chose to do some gold glitter. After you're done with the glitter, make sure to clean it all the way around, so when you put the tape, it attached perfectly fine. Then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and grab some tape and attach it to the other door that we did first, or the little arch, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna go ahead and take another piece of tape. We're gonna first take one piece, attach it to one side, and then we're gonna take another piece and attach it to the other side, just like that, you guys. Pretty simple. Then go ahead and take the extra tape out. Then go ahead and put tape in here. Make sure to put a lot of tape all around it so the beads don't come out, and then place it on top, and there you have your door out. So then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and put some double-sided tape on the arch all around it as well, and we're gonna place it on top just like that, you guys. Then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and put some double-sided tape it to the back, and here make sure to tape it to the bottom of the bag, not the top. Grab some stickers, and in here please make sure to find some cute sticker. I couldn't find nice flower ones, but if you find like pink or colors, I think it would look perfectly fine. But here I give you an idea of how you could do it. And then I got some butterfly. Then I print out the characters, and I'm just gonna put the characters in the middle just like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I'm trying to do each character a bag, and I think it came out beautifully. I cannot wait to help show you how everything turns out. I'm working on a backdrop next, so make sure to follow so you can see how everything turned out. Thanks for watching.